Hi, my name's Dave Henry with Wilbur Henry Plumbing and Heating. We've been in business since 1960. The phone number is 755-5461. I'm the third generation of 3 generations of Henrys. Tankless hot water heaters is a very efficient way to heat your hot water. You don't have to heat 40 gallons and it doesn't maintain a temperature. It only comes on whenever anyone in the house turns on a hot side faucet anywhere. Other than that, the tankless water heater will not run, will not create hot water, or use gas unless a faucet is turned on somewhere for hot water. Now, a 40 gallon maintains temperature all day, whether you're using hot water or not, home or not, it will always maintain that 40 gallons of hot water, or 50 or 75 gallons, whatever size water heater you have.